Okay, everyone, this is Vic West speaking. I'm going to go ahead and make a short video here to show those of you who have been interested in my free platform automated systems how to upload these videos to your TradeStation. This only operates in TradeStation, as I have explained previously, so you would have to download TradeStation. Preferably, I would like to have everybody on to download the version of 9.1 Update 29, which of course you can have once you want to fund your TradeStation account. You can have TradeStation representative give you the download there. In other words, install that platform. Now you can use 9.5, guys. It works. We had some trouble with it in the beginning. You can use 9.5 and still use my stuff. But if you go 9.1, then there may not, it may eliminate some glitches that could possibly happen in 9.5. Because sometimes 9.5 doesn't work well or it corrupts, and there's reasons for that. But it's easier just for me to tell you to use the 9.1. Okay. All right. So what would happen is I would send you one or more of my workspaces down here. Now, right now, I'm videoing and presenting the Auto Trader, which is one that I built. It's a proprietary system that I built with my easy language coding. I don't sell it right now. I'm not leasing it. I'm giving it away. You can use it for your benefit through the end of 2019, and at that point I may not offer it again. In any case, I know that this will gain some customers for TradeStation, so if any of you people are watching, then this would be good for TradeStation to get some customers. But more importantly, this system is an automated system that I built, and it is proprietary, and all you have to do is just turn it on. The other two here are one's a manual. This is a manual. It tells you what to do. Semi-automated. This is a Renko that I built, but that one is not doing as well as my latest one, which is built on the predication of the point and figure charts. So I think probably what I will do is to simplify everything is I will just provide you the automated trader. Very quickly, the top one here is set to take $105 profit. Wherever it occurs, same algorithm, same auto trader. The bottom one down here is stop and reverse. It'll go as far as it can. Now I put videos in here to show you the power of it. All right, so to go ahead and explain this, if you were to avail yourself of this platform, you would need to fund TradeStation. If you're going to use the NQ, right now that's all I'm presenting. It will use it, YM and some of the others. But you need about $6,400 to fund TradeStation. You need to know that. And TradeStation needs to know that you need a live feed, that you don't want a delayed feed. And they'll set you up with your account that way. So if I give you this platform, I will email it to you. I will email this workspace to you as an attachment. The indicators that are proprietary that are under the hood here, I will also email those to you, but the extension on those is a .eld, which stands for Easy Language Document. These workspaces extension is a .tsw, TradeStation Workspace. They're different. But when I send them to you, what you're going to need to do is to copy those to your desktop. Now, once you do that, Windows 10, Windows 7, you just click on the file and it'll say Save As at the bottom. You want to save it as, select your desktop now on each of those. So if I send you just this one workspace, it'd be one workspace. If I sent you all three, it'd be three of them. They're extension, again, .tsw. So I think what I will probably do is just send the rest of you this one here. This, instead of complicating it, this is their best one. There's no interpretation, you just turn it on and make a selection of top or bottom. I might get a little redundant here, but I just don't want to lose anybody. So save all of these to your desktop, okay? All right, so when they're on your desktop, then what I'm going to have you do is to go to your, what you do is you go to your File Explorer. I can't show you that, but on your Start button down there, you right-click that button and select File Explorer, okay? And what that will do is that will give you this window. And I'm going to see if I can size it so you can see it. The window will look similar to this. Now you may be able to access this through your My Computer icon on your desktop, but either way, you just want to get to your OS, wherever that is. Operating system, your C drive, okay? Okay, when you do that, what you will do is double click on your OS, okay? This is to import your ELD. No, I'm sorry, not the ELD. This is to import your... All right, I'm sorry, never mind. We've got to get your ELDs in here first, okay? So I kind of messed up here. Let me close that and start over. Okay, right here, do your ELDs first because they need to be in your file before you put your workspaces in there. So you go up to File. After you've downloaded them to your desktop, go to File. Okay, this is 9.1. It should look the same in 9.5. Go to Import Export, Easy Language. Okay, you will get a window that looks like this. You want to highlight your second file down by left-clicking it once. Okay. Once you do that, you hit Next. But you're going to browse to your desktop because your ELD is now on your desktop. You saved it there. All right, so you browse, and then you get another window. But here, you want to go to your desktop. Then you select this one right here. Okay. Now what you're going to do is copy, or what you do, just go to Search, File Name. Then you're going to type in the name of the ELD that I gave you. And when you start typing it, it'll show up. Okay, once it shows up, you're going to hit Open. Okay. Here's where it's a little hard for me to do because I have to open a file to do it. And I don't know if I want to do that, but I'm going to see if I can do it without doing it. All right, so what I'm going to look for is one of the ELDs, which would be, let's see here. Let's do ELD. Let me find my ELDs. Find one for an example. Okay, one of them. Hold on a minute. It's taking me a little while to find the ELD. Okay, I'm going to look for, I'm going to go to the one that you're going to be looking for, the one I sent. But I'm going to look for the one is called Auto VE50. And again, this is going to be the one I sent you. You're looking for the one I sent you because it's on your desktop. But I'm just going to do the one that I have here as an example. Auto VE50. All right. We're looking for PNF only. Because if I just send you the PNF, that's the only one you're going to need. PNF only. Okay. You click Open. Okay. This is the window you will get. Now I'm not going to hit Next because I don't want it to overwrite what I have. And this will have everything in it. It'll have everything you need for your strategy, your automated strategy to work. So when you hit Next, okay, you'll have a next,
Short VPA V2 Ranko.
you'll hit next there, and then when you hit next, it's gonna want to import everything, okay? But you're gonna get a message there. Do you want to overwrite the existing strategies or ELDs at the current installation? You're going to click yes, because you don't want to use the ones that TradeStation has. You're going to replace those function calls and everything with the ones I'm giving you. You click replace those that are there next all the way to finish. Okay, I don't want to do that, but you're on your own to do that. Just when it's finished, just close this out. In this case, it'll give you close, but I'm going to hit cancel. All right, that put all the ELDs or any ELDs or automated strategy into your strategy data bank. Okay, now we go to the import of the file. So what you're going to do is open your, like I started out at the beginning, open your File Explorer, right click your Start button, select File Explorer, and now you'll get this. Go to the OS, which is the computer, say Computer OS. Click on that, and in your right panel, click on Program File, double click, and that will select everything. Scroll down to TradeStation 9.1, double click on that. Now you're going to see these in here. This is where your platform, your workspace needs to be deposited. I will have given you those. Again, that's a .tsw. This time you left click your My Work file once, okay? Don't double click it, don't open it. Now right click the file. I'm sorry, what you want to do is copy the EL first. All right, copy your workspace from the desktop first before you do that. And then go to the My Work and right click, but now you have a paste in here because you already copied it, but now you'll put paste in there. Okay? I'm not going to do it because I didn't copy it. So again, copy your workspace, which is the TSW that I sent you, off of your desktop. Copy that first, then open up TradeStation. Open up your file and go to this location. And then select paste in here. Okay? All right, so I'm going to close that now. It's just clear as mud for a lot of people, but you'll get it. So now you close out that. Now, with TradeStation open, go to your file, upper left-hand right, and look for Open Workspace. That workspace that you just copied will now appear either in the OS or in your My Work file, wherever it is, wherever it's located. Find that file, highlight it, click Open. All right, I'm not going to do that. Once you do that, that will populate this screen with the workspace that I gave you in your email. It should open this up and it should look exactly like that. All right, once you've done that, now you got to save everything. Go to File, hit Save All Workspaces, and it'll do that. Click File again, Save All Desktops. Okay. Once you've done that, there's more steps in here. How about that? This TradeStation is the tip of an iceberg. Go up to File. All right. Go down to Preferences. And you get this menu over to the right. TradeStation Desktop Preferences. You're going to click that. Now you'll have a window over here. Okay. What you're going to do here is to Workspaces. You want to be on Workspace tab, and you want to put your checkbox and open all workspaces from previous session. The rest of these don't really matter, but make sure that's clicked and click OK. All right. I know this is involved, but go back to File again. save all desktops. Click it again, save all workspaces. Now, once you've done that, when you start TradeStation, it'll come up default to your automated platform that I gave you. It'll show this and everything's there. And the tutorials that I give you on how to do this are real no-brainers. All you do is just turn it on. This is 105 1 year. This is a PO, profit objective. Down here is stop and reverse. Either way, stop and reverse will make a lot more money. But it will take some large losses, but the amount of money that it takes is way huge. If you just want to trade for the first hour or two and you want $100 or so every time it closes, turn that on and then wait till the dead zone closes and be happy with what you got. Now right now I'm in a manual trade on some other charts that I'm working on the other screen. You won't need those because it takes interpretation, although they're pretty simple, they're manual. But this is so easy that even a child can do it, all right? So this is your procedure on how to upload my free platform to your TradeStation installation. There is no charge for it. It is free all the way to the end of 2019. And if I never renew it again, then you will have made some money. Okay, it will get some customers for TradeStation. They're always looking for people to come on board. If I renew it at charge, then that would be a different matter. But by that time, you will have made so much money you probably can retire. This is just my contribution to the trading community out there. I've been a trader for over 20 years, and I've been doing easy language for almost as long. And it's just my contribution to help you get in here and have a turnkey business, guys. I've explained this before. You just make some money in there. You can take what you need as you need, and that's it. All right, I got 17 minutes into the video. I hope I didn't confuse anybody here. This is kind of a on-the-fly thing that I'm doing to help you get this in there for those of you who wanted to partake of using this platform on your account in TradeStation for free. Okay? Thank you for watching, and this will be something you want to save. This will be posted to YouTube where you'll have a link to it, and you can watch it on YouTube link. I will provide that link to you later. Okay, talk to you later. Good trading and goodbye.